How to fix background app restart problem. The solution is very easy and simple. Follow these simple steps. Go to setting. Now click on my phone. Now type 7 time and bold number. After that the developer option is enabled. Now tap on search bar and type developer. After that scroll down. Now click on background process limit. Now choose standard limit. Now turn off this option. Don't keep activities. Turn off this option in your phone. After completing this process, now restart your phone. After restarting, the problem will be fixed easily. Thanks for watching.